So friends, uh, we created the router last time. We are very close to completing this series now. What we need to do is now we need to wire the router to the server, and that will complete the coding. Okay, so let's go to the server. Here we will go to the server file, and this is where we need to get everything. Uh, So first we need to uh, import all those like express etc. So const express equals to require express. For now you just can remember what we're writing, but later on you will be used to do this. Now we will import const body parser equals to require. You remember we installed this body parser, and then we need to import the router. Const route equals to require um, source routes and user. Okay, so we imported these three. Now we need to tell the port also. So for now we will keep it a static port. This is port for the API endpoint, which we will keep 3000. And what we will do is create an app object. So const app equals to express. Okay, now uh, we will use this parser in the app. So app dot use body parser dot json. So whatever comes from the postman or any calling client, this will parse. And what we do is here also we will use this route. So app dot use route. But one more thing I want to do is for the testing purpose we will write app dot get slash request response and response dot send, and maybe message welcome to the RESTful API. Okay, now we will create the server. So app dot listen, and on which, so we have already defined the port 3000, and if this works we can just write that it is listening. So console.log server is listening at http colon localhost colon 3000. Okay, now see everything is wired now, and now we do not need to call this dbcon. We will call this server.js, which will call everything, because from dbcon we came to the models, from there we came to the controller, from there we came to the router, from there we moved to the server, so they all are chained together. Okay, so let's see what happens. Node server, see everything is working fine, everything is perfect now. Okay, now the only thing we need to check is we need to see that everything working in the postman or not. So Thank you for watching this video. In the next, we will test everything, all the CRUD operation in the Postman to see if everything works or not. Okay. So thank you so much. Let us see in the next video.